Start by opening your SafePal app and logging in. Look at the crypto balance you want to transfer. SafePal supports many coins, but Cash App only works with Bitcoin. So if your funds are not in Bitcoin, you'll need to swap them first. To do that, go to the dApps section in SafePal. Pick a trusted service like Binance DEX. Use it to swap your current coin for Bitcoin. Always check all swap details before you confirm. Once you have Bitcoin in your SafePal wallet, tap on your Bitcoin balance. Then tap the Send button. This opens the Send screen, where you'll enter your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. Now, open Cash App. On the home screen, tap the Money tab, then tap Bitcoin. Select Deposit Bitcoin. You'll see a QR code and a wallet address. Tap Copy to copy the address. Go back to SafePal. Paste the wallet address into the Send screen. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Check everything again to make sure the address and amount are correct, then send it. The Bitcoin network needs some time to confirm your transfer. It may take a few minutes or longer if the network is busy. After the transfer is complete, open Cash App again. You should now see the Bitcoin in your balance. If you want to turn it into cash, tap Sell. Choose how much Bitcoin to sell. Once the sale is done, the money will appear in your Cash App balance. You can then cash out to your bank. That's how you transfer money from SafePal to Cash App. Thanks for watching.